Kabir was a soft-spoken boy from a small village who dreamed of traveling the world. He loved learning new things, but English always scared him. Whenever he tried to speak, his mind went blank and his confidence disappeared. One day, Kabir met a tourist at a tea stall. The tourist asked a simple question in English, but Kabir could not reply properly. That moment stayed in his mind all night. He promised himself that he would improve. Kabir started with a simple habit. Every morning, he read a short English story and spoke it aloud. He did not care about mistakes. He also spoke to himself while walking, cooking, and even while watering plants. His sentences were small, but they were clear. Slowly, Kabir began understanding English better. New words felt friendly, not scary. He started speaking English with his friends and helped them learn too. After a few months, the same tourist visited again. This time, Kabir answered confidently in English. The tourist smiled and thanked him. Kabir learned that English is not about talent. It is about courage, practice, and patience. One simple story every day changed his life.